Hi, my name is Jimena Rincon, and today I'm gonna show you how to create an app uh, to translate different languages, between them Spanish, French, Italian, German, between others. First thing you gotta do is to insert a table arrangement into the screen number 1 and insert 6 different buttons, or how the buttons you think you will need to use all the languages you want. I decided to use Spanish, French, German, Polish, Czech, and Italian. I use different colors. You can decide which color to use. Here there are many colors you can use. After that you go to blocks and you gotta click on the button Spanish here, and you gotta click on control. When you click on Spanish, you gotta give the option to open a different screen, and you gotta choose which kind of screen will open after choosing that button. So you gotta click here on text and state which screen you will need to be open. So here you can see you gotta do this 6 times from all the different languages you chose. After this, you make a different screen. I started with the screen of the language Spanish, and first you gotta insert a horizontal arrangement. I insert 3 different horizontal arrangements. Actually, I insert 2 horizontal arrangements and 1 vertical arrangement, so I can put these 2 buttons one under the other one. So I insert a text box. You can find the text box here. After that, I insert a button here, and you can choose the kind of letter, and the kind of color, and the kind of size you want for that button, and the kind of size you want for the text box where you will be able to put the text that will be translated. After that, in my other horizontal arrangement, I inserted a label. You can find it here, that said text in Spanish. After that, I will configure the app so the text will be shown. In my other arrangement, vertical arrangement, I put another button here, and all of them I state them with different names so I don't get confused. Here it's the button translate, here the button speak, here the button return, and so you can be able to translate everything you want. You gotta click here in media and click on Yandex Translate and put it in the screen, and click on text to speech here and click on the screen again. So you just gotta personalize this screen, and you gotta do exactly the same thing for all of them. Here, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, actually search. And after that, you can see that on the blocks you have to click on the button translate and find when button translate click do, so it will do what you ask it to. You gotta go to Yandex Translate and click on call Yandex Translate request translation and language to translate to. You click on text and you have to know which is the code for the language you are choosing. For this example, it is N and S. After that, you gotta click on Yandex Translate and click here. When Yandex Translate one go translation do, and you gotta click on label 1 and click on set label 1 text 2 and click on variables get, and so the app actually translates what you want it to translate. You gotta click here on translation. After you got these two, you gotta click on button speak, this one. When you click button speak and you gotta go to text to speech, that is this one, and click on set text to speech language, and you have to know which kind of abbreviation you gotta use so it pronounce it like you want it. In this case, Spanish is like this, SPA, and you also gotta go to speak, the buttons, the text to speak, and click on call text to speak, place it under this one, and click on label 1 text. After this, you also have to place a button so people is able to get back to the home page, this one, button to return. And after that, you also have to program it. So you click on button return here. When button return is clicked, it has to open another screen, and you have to say which screen name it has so it goes to the home page. In this case, the home page is the screen number 1. So you place on control, open another screen, right here, open screen name and text, so you can say which screen it is. Screen number 1. And here you go. You have everything you need to create your first app, your translating app. This is just how to program the first language you choose, but you gotta do exactly the same thing for every language you choose. The only difference is that you will have to change this. If it is French, if it is Polish, if it is Italian, as you can see here, French, N and FR, and here also changes. It is now Fra. Or here Italian, it is it. So you gotta make sure that you are choosing the right abbreviation so it works in the right way. Thank you and goodbye.